Hi, this is the Galaxy F54 and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then find here lock screen section. Tap to the always on display here and we could switch here show time. We could tap it to show it always, and to set the schedule, the start, the end time of the AOD option. Here we got the clock style. We could switch the clock style by select one from these styles here. We could also switch the color of the clock. Just to save the changes, click to done. We could also here use the image clock to like the bitmojis, some times, gallery, photos from the gallery downloaded from the internet, or some stickers for example. And also get here this screen orientation section where we could switch the portrait to the landscape, the orientation. We could use the auto brightness option or to turn it off. If you will turn off the auto brightness, you could switch here the level of the brightness, and here you got the description about always on display. You could read some of the information about that. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.